Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pankaj Kumar Jain, working as Assistant Professor at IIT ISM Dhanbad. You have heard about EV cards. It was covered in media in last few days. So let me tell you a brief story that will help you understand why we developed this particular app. So whenever you meet a new person and you want to stay in touch with that person, what you do is you exchange your contacts directly on the mobile. Or if you have a printed visiting card, you just take it out and you exchange with each other. So this is done physically. You physically exchange your visiting card. Now imagine if you could do this exchange of visiting cards in a digital manner. So that's where our app comes. So we have developed this app, EV Cards. EV Cards stands for Electronic Visiting Cards. So this electronic visiting card can be exchanged on this EV Cards app in a digital manner. So now let me tell you more about it. You can download the app from the App Store. If you are a iPhone user, you will see this kind of icon and by a company name Artinotech Private Limited. If you are on Android user, you can download it from Play Store. You will see the similar icon and by company Artinotech Private Limited. So as soon as you see that, you can download it. Then you have to register on the app. It's very easy. So it just requires your name and mobile number because that is your basic identity. You just need your name and your mobile number. Mobile number is now connected with Aadhaar, so there is no issue. So you have to verify your mobile number with OTP. Once you verify that, you are directed to a page and that shows your template, ready template, which has your name and mobile number. And in one click, you can create your visiting card. If you want to add additional information, you can add it there. Otherwise, you can skip that. You can add it afterwards. So your visiting card is ready with your name and mobile number. Now you can add additional information. You can add your designation or your company name. That option is there. You can add your email ID. If you have email ID, you can add it there. You can add your address there. You can pick the coordinates of any landmark which is nearby your area, and you can add it from there because that option is given there. You can choose the color themes. There are 4 themes given in this current version. So you can choose a color theme and save it. So as soon as you do that, your visiting card is ready. Now this is an electronic visiting card and you can share it with any person in 2 ways. So there are 2 ways to share the cards. One is you can share it as an image, and as an image you can share your visiting card on any platform. It can be on WhatsApp, it can be on as a multimedia message or on an email or any way, any means nearby sharing. Whatever means of sharing is available in your mobile, you can use that to share your visiting card as image to any person. And this is absolutely free. There is no cost. So once you have this app, you don't need to print your visiting card ever. You can update it. That flexibility is also there because it is a digital visiting card. And there is another way that allows you to exchange functional visiting cards. So EV cards which you exchange on the app, that is a functional visiting card. And this actually helps you use the contact information directly from the app. So you can use the mobile number, you can use the email ID. You can also use the address which is given there because you can trace it on the Google Map. So that facility is given there. So these functional visiting cards can be exchanged on the app. So how you do that? There are very few convenient features are coming in the next version. But in this version, what you need to do is once 2 users are on the platform, you need to search the name of that person on the app, or if that person is nearby, you just have to scan the QR code and you can that app will suggest you, okay, this person, this QR code belongs to this person. So you will see that the name and profile pic of that person. So you can identify, okay, this is the card that I want to exchange with. So you will touch on that card and it will give you option to exchange your card. So you will send your card, that person will get a notification that he has received your card. That person has to accept your card. Once he accepts, then an option is given to that person whether he wants to exchange his card with you or not. So he sends his card to you, then you have to accept it. So that is how you do the digital exchange of visiting cards on this platform. And once you do that, you both have the cards exchanged and your card will be saved in the cards folder of that person and his card will be saved in your app. So you can use the contact information directly from there. So there are features the app will guide you. You can in the current version you can slide it here and there, or you can touch to enlarge it. So you can use the contact information from the buttons given below. You can share the contact of other person also as an image. In the coming version, you can give it as a suggestion also. But as an image, because you can take a snapshot of any person, if you have the contact details, you can share with anyone. So you can share as image easily on any platform, just like your own card. So that facility is there. Now, what's the benefit of exchanging digitally on this platform is that your contact information always remains updated. Suppose you have exchanged with another person and you are making any change in the contact information or color theme or email ID or company or place or anything. So that information is immediately notified to that person that this person has changed the particular information and he can check it. So that is how you establish a direct connection with that person, and the contact information with that person remains updated. In future, we will try to give you more flexibility as to who you want to notify with that information. So that will come in future version, but in the current version, if you are exchanging it, your information is immediately notified to another person so that your contact information remains updated. Now, what's the problem there in your mobile presently is that you have 3-4 contacts and you don't know which one is working. So you have to check it. Okay, this is the contact that is working. So, and if it is outdated, you don't have any means to connect with that person. So that's a problem that is existing. Plus, printed visiting cards you have to carry in bundles. If you want to go to any conference or a meeting, you have to carry the bundles of printed visiting card. You have to print it. It requires paper. It requires ink. If it is laminated, it requires plastic. So those things are there. But it is a digital visiting card and gives you so much flexibility. So you can do that. So if you are sharing as image, that is absolutely free. You can share your card or any other person's card as image for free. But if you are exchanging working functional EV cards on the app, that requires sharing credit. Initially, we are giving 24 free credits, and that you can see in your profile. So you have 24 free credits initially, and 1 credit is required for exchanging 1 functional EV card. And if you want to earn free credits, that option is also there. You can invite a new user, and there is a referral code there that goes with the invitation, because that option is given there. So if that person while registration enters your referral code, you get 5 free credits. So those 5 free credits are added to your existing available credits. So in that way, you can enjoy the exchange of digital or functional EV cards on this app for free, and you can stay in touch with that person. Suppose if you are running low, because suppose eventually there will be many people on the platform, you will not find any person who will enter your referral code to give you free credits. So what you can do is you can recharge it, because you keep recharging mobile for calling other people. So you can recharge this credit, sharing credits, and the cost is very nominal, 20 credits. Like that, there are other options also you will see on the app, but that will not be required initially. Initially, you just earn the free credits and enjoy the sharing of visiting cards. If you don't want to share the functional visiting card, you can share as an image to any person, and this will be very useful for those who frequently required exchange of visiting cards. If they are going to meet a new person, for example, sales and marketing people, they actually need to contact many people. They generally go, they exchange their visiting cards. So it is going to be very useful for them, and for other people also it will be very useful, because you want to stay in touch with other people. So this is the basic about the EV Cards app. So what are you waiting for? This app is totally free. You can download it for free. You can use the features of the app for free. So go to your Play Store or App Store, see this icon by Artino Tech Private Limited, download it now. And if you have any feedback or any suggestion, you can give those suggestions to us, and we'll be happy to sort those out. This is a very basic version of the app, and in this app you can make your digital visiting card. You can exchange with each other. There will be more flexibility in the coming version, more privacy options. So and one more thing, the privacy is ensured in this app. That means if there are 2 people on the platform, their contact information is not visible to each other unless they exchange your visiting cards digitally. So when you are exchanging it digitally, you are giving a consent to that person, that that person can see your contact information, but it will be visible to only that person. And it is a functional visiting card that you are exchanging. So that is totally ensured, and we are adding more security features and more flexibility to this in the coming versions. So now you can download the app and enjoy the features of the app.